Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I am actually doing a skincare review. These two products you saw me unbox in a PR unboxing a little bit ago. I decided, since I do the reviews on my blog, some of you guys are probably interested in how these actually work. So I've been using this for a while now, and I will say these are two very good products. I will say that this one, though, is now a staple in my routine. So what these are both AHA or lactic acid products. They exfoliate. So this is the morning routine, and then this is your evening routine. So when you wake up, you cleanse your skin, and you're going to rub this on your face. And you're going to feel like that smoother, any texture you have, it's going to help get rid of it. It does have a really good citrus smell, like a very bright. It's great for the morning. And it has this really cool, like, decanter or whatever you'd call that, pump, I guess. It looks like a little fountain, and then you just take your cotton pad, or I use a cotton pad, and you 3 pumps, 4 pumps, and then you wipe your face. And you do feel, I do get a tingling, and it started out, the first couple days was a burning. It's really nice. This is called the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. I think it's somewhere in the $20 range. I'll link to it below. I'll also put the price so you guys can check it out. You're getting 8.5 ounces though. I've hardly used any. It's nice. I like the way it smells. What else would I say? For me, with the different acids, you get your BHA, which is, salicylic, I think, AHA, which is lactic, and then there is glycolic, which is a little, that's deeper down the, this one is the most mild, the best for sensitive skin. It works though. So if you're looking for something a little gentler, I think that the BHA, like the stuff from Paula's Choice that I had used, that's a little stronger. You're going to get but it's going to also like kind of pull your skin off. But this is like much more like gentle, mild. Also, the REN products are clean, so you're not getting any chemicals that like are chemically derived. You're not getting stuff that they made in a factory, blending two things together and poof, you know. You're getting all clean, all natural stuff. So this is like naturally occurring elements like lactic acid. Those are things that your body creates. So it's good for you. It's not bad. What else? And they're all aesthetically pleasing, like the scent, the way it looks, it's pretty, it's orange. You guys know I love me some orange. So I like this. This is a good product. And then there's the REN Clean Skincare Wake Wonderful Nighttime Facial. This I think is like $48. And when you see the price, you're like, ooh, that's kind of pricey. But you get 1.3 ounces. This is amazing. You put this on 2 or 3 times a week at night. Before your moisturizer, but after your serums. This is incredible. I wake up in the morning, my skin is just like revived. Like the redness, I always have redness. You guys know that. You guys watch my videos. That I've experienced though is cut in half at least. What does this have in it? So it's got the lactic acid, but it has other stuff. I think it's like, I forget now. Darn it. But anyway, I'm gonna link down below to the to this, and then also put the prices just in case I'm wrong. But this one, if you're looking for something that's gonna like reinvigorate your skin, you wear this all night. You don't have to wash it off. It says facial, but you're not gonna be taking it back off. Your skin's gonna soak it all up, and you'll be surprised because you put it on. It has a pump, which I think is neat. You're not putting your fingers in it. This is like 2 to 3 pumps. I only ever use like a 1 or 2. I don't need that much. And my skin just kind of soaks it up like right away. Like it feels good. It has no smell. Yeah, no, it doesn't have a smell at all. But like my skin just, and like, cause I thought at first I'm like, I'm going to use a moisturizer after I use a cream like this. And it ended up that like my moisturizer just went right on. I think it's a wonderful product though. And it, like I said, REN Skincare, clean, all natural, cruelty-free. If you're looking for something amazing, this is one to try. And it does last for 9 months. This one says 9 months as well. So because they are clean, they don't contain the preservatives that the products that you typically buy would, and that's a good thing. So if you're interested, check out the links below. I just wanted to do a quick review for you guys to keep you updated. I know I do these unboxings and then you never hear about the product again. I think that's kind of, you know, silly. So I wanted to let you guys know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you want me to keep doing this, if you're interested in these, just let me know. As always, thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time.